gosh. That's crazy. Like, share, subscribe. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I know I have on the same attire, but this is another video. Anyways, what it do, gang? This your boy Tizzle coming back at you with another video, guys. Like always, you already know I got Cash Low right here with me. Y'all see him? Y'all see him? Yes, sir. But we out here with the mini trucks. Let's see if I can get a glance of the mini trucks, guys. You see it back there. Yes, it's about to be a mini truck show. I was about to say car show, but I was like, hold on, they're trucks. So that's why I was like, it's a mini truck show. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, guys, first time watching the video, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. New to the channel, man, go ahead and like this video. Go ahead and share this video so that the family can continue to grow, and don't forget to hit that bell. Make sure you turn that thing to all so you can be tuned in with everything that I post. And when I say everything, I mean everything. And hopefully I don't get no copyright, because I just realized that song was playing. But we got the train in the background. Yes, sir. But anyway, guys, we're going to go ahead and get to the footage. Let me turn it to the good light. We're going to go ahead and get to the footage, and I'll get back at y'all in a second. Yes, sir. What you doing, brother?
Start recording.
God dang it. Hey, with your copyright. I just realized it, man. But what we doing, brother?
About to hit that record button.
That record button?
Out here chilling with Euphoric Minis. Dope ass mini truck club. Helped me put the Mazda down a couple inches yesterday, so big ups to them.
Oh, that's the guys that, oh.
This is the crew that I went out to.
This the crew. Oh, okay.
So the teal one, the V2200. And then the green and brown one.
We gonna get to that in the video.
And the black one that's over here, you can't even see that motherfucker, it's so low.
Hey, but look, brother, we gonna get to that. But I don't think they seen the new modification to the car in this video.
Oh, you ain't seen the new modification?
I don't think they did. Let's go check it out, brothers. Let's go check it out, man. So we gonna look at the new mods. Ooh, that thing's sitting low. Look at that pretty thing there. Now, remind you guys, his car was about as high as mine. Now he got that thing sitting pretty little squattish there. She getting a little lower, you know what I'm saying? Let's go ahead and get the back view real quick. Yes, sir, that thing is lower. And I believe he got it from this company right here.
Raceland suspension.
Yes, sir. But anyway, guys, we're going to go ahead and get to the mini trucks. But with that being said, y'all need to hold that thought. Y'all see it, man. The hustle and grind is real, guys. Y'all see me, man. The hustle and grind is real. Man, look at Cash Low. Look at him. Look at him. This is why his videos be so perfect. Look at him. Putting in that work, guys. This is real, guys. We don't play around. We do not play around, guys. We get that footage and we do our thing with it. Let me get out his way, man. I don't want to be all up in his shots. But you know we gotta check out the cars. You know we gotta check them out. You know we got to. You already know we got to. Look at the wheels. Yes, sir. Trying to get out your way, brother. I mean, I know I'm good, but I'm trying to get out your way, man. I know how your videos are. My videos are a little bit different than yours, so you know what I'm saying? like that right there. Yes, I like this truck. Look how low he is. We're gonna do a ground view. Yes, sir. He is to the flows. You cannot drive that low. No way impossible. Hey, y'all see it? It is definitely a This truck is freaking dope. This truck is low. When I say this truck is low, this truck is low. Dang, this truck is low. I gotta catch the inside of this sexy thing. Yes, sir. This thing is dope. Seen this truck before. Seen this truck before. Always gotta have the project vehicles. Always. Always, always, always. Yo, it's slow. Why he do him like that? System in that truck. Look through the windows. He got stupid bang back there. See, he wanted me to open the door. That's why he wanted me to open the door. He's showing out in this truck, man. He's showing out. But look at the man. Look at the base, man. Hold on, we gonna get a real good angle at that. He got 215s in the back of this truck, brother. 215s. He is not playing around. And you know, of course, you gotta have your vocals and all that good stuff, but he ain't playing around. With the wood grain steering wheel. No, you got to come back this way, brother.
check out the feats. You know you gotta check out the feats. Got a little sunlight, yes sir. We're gonna check out the feats right now. Yes, sir.
Your wifey's favorite producer.
Seen this truck before. He always come around every now and then. Gosh, that's crazy.
One all the way with him without a running.
Are you on 3/8 hardware?
Yeah, it was a 3/8 line too.
3/8 valves, 3/8
Yeah,
line.
well, it's a.
The Royal Kings would love you guys. We just seen them today too. I just love that noise. I just love that noise. I don't know why I love it so much. Oh yeah, there you go. It's higher now. That's crazy.
You have a can? So it's a really expensive can crusher.
Okay.
Has the dump truck skid plate on your back?
Yep, definitely flat. Definitely pancake. Definitely pancake flat. You can just use this truck to go scrapping. Just line up some cans, drop it. Man, hold on. I just gotta say this real quick, man. Real goddamn quick. Bad little man, bro. Appreciate you, bro. You just got people coming all my direction, man. Hey, that's all it is. Real, recognize real, man. That's all it is, guys. So, God, I'm just saying like, hey, bad little man sent me. Bad little man sent me. I'm like, God dang. Shouts out to bad little man. One good time, man. Goodness gracious. But anyway, yeah, I just had to say that real quick, man. I appreciate you, bro. Golly, man. You see the smile on my face, man? Like, that's amazing, bro. That's a freaking amazing what the YouTube game will do for you. That's all it is, man. Just one more time, man. Appreciate you, bad little man. I gotta get in contact with you, brother. Gotta send something your way, man, just to show you my appreciation, brother. Might have to send you a new decal or something, brother. I don't know, man. We gotta do something for you, brother. But yeah, man, shouts out to Bad Little Man once again, man. Y'all see it on the screen. Guys, yes, but we gonna go ahead and end this video, man. I just had to get that off my chest, man, because it's still ringing in right now. Like, Bad Little Man sent me, Bad Little Man sent me. Like, guys, to be more careful, brother. Is it a video that you? I gotta check some more videos out, brother. I've been slacking on the YouTube thing, brother. I ain't gonna lie to you, man, but just appreciate it, bro. It's all love, man. It's all love, man. But yeah, man, I'll get at y'all in a second, man. This is your boy Tizzle.